Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to Thriving Plants. Today I'm going to show you how to store your onions after they have cured, which is when you let them stay in a cool, dark, dry area for 2 to 3 weeks. You'll see that all of the foliage has dried out along with the roots. So all you want to do is going to trim off the roots. You want to cut this, leaving about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of the stem. Same thing with these onions. If there's any dirt on there, go ahead and brush it off. Then what I do is use a mesh bag, and I store these in my basement, but you can store them anywhere that is cool, dark, and dry. Some people put them in a pantry, other people have a cellar that they put them in. It's really up to you. Some people also put them on a wire rack, or they use a box with about 1 inch of sand in the bottom. I just think that the mesh bag works best for me, but it really is just your choice. So thank you for joining me today on my channel, Thriving Plants. Please hit the subscribe button down below so you can catch my future videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.